I am going to steal Dad's credit card. So, to buy a Rubik's Cube. So, let's go downstairs. Oh yes? I see Dad's credit card. So, I'm gonna steal it. There we are. I steal it to buy. So let's head over to Walmart. Okay, I see the Rubik's Cube. So I am now gonna took it. There we go. We took it. So I'm gonna check out to pay with a credit card. So you got a Rubik's Cube? So check the credit card. Okay, $5 only. There, you buy Rubik's Cube. Good luck. Thanks. Once I buy the Rubik's Cube, and I got to steal Dad's credit card. Dave. Get over here right now. Dave, did you spy a Rubik's Cube and got from Walmart to steal a credit card? Can you tell me something now? Yes. I took a credit card to buy a Rubik's Cube from Walmart. Dave, that is not true. Dad is mad because he stole my credit card to buy Rubik's Cube from Walmart. So you're totally grounded forever.